All right, AP Calculus AB, find the indefinite integral. And we're going to use, in this case, we're going to use U substitution. There are other ways to do this, but I really like the U substitution. So that's how I'm going to do this, I think. And I'm going to let U equal 9 minus x squared. I'm going to say that du dx is equal to negative 2x. I'm going to do a little bit of algebra here, and I'm going to get dx is equal to du over negative 2x. Is that all right? And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into u form. So I'm going to rewrite this. So remember, this is u right here, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is just rewrite this. I'm going to say that I have x over the square root of u, because u is 9 minus x squared, times du over negative 2x. So far, so good? Then I'm going to just clean this up. Right now it's not good because we're in terms of u and in terms of x, but if you look here, this x and this one cancel, don't they? Yeah. So I'm going to take this negative 1/2 out, so that here's this negative 1/2 is equal to du over square root u. Is this an ln? It's not an L. This is not an ln. And I got kind of caught up in that. That's all right. I got caught up in that for a second. So I was like, okay. So I went here at first, Seth, and then I just came out of it. I was like, you know what? This is not how I want to do this. This is not wrong, Bill. This is just not how I want to pursue this. So I'm going to rewrite it this way. See if this makes better sense. I'm just trying to be a little bit creative with how I'm going to get my answer. I'm going to take u to the negative 1/2 du. Isn't that true? And now we can integrate. Very good. So I'm going to go ahead and integrate here. So as we integrate this negative 1/2 is our constant multiple. And the first integral of this is u to the 1/2, right, over 1/2 plus c, right, because it's an indefinite integral we're taking. Everybody see that this 1/2 comes up as its reciprocal. So it comes up as 2, and 2 times negative 1/2 is negative 1. So we get negative square root u plus c. Isn't that right? One last thing to do. Yeah, good job. Resubstitute. So resub. And we had that u was equal to 9 minus x squared. Is that right? So we have the opposite of the square root of 9 minus x squared plus c is our answer. Is that okay? Not bad, right?